Hey y'all, it's the Luxury Club and I'm back with another video. And today I am doing this look on Chelsea. Her Instagram is Sensational Faces, and I'm so excited to do this look because a lot of people have been asking me to do rhinestone crystal eyeshadow looks, and today I decided to do this look. This is another freestyle look, you guys, so I didn't really know what I was doing, but I guess it came out okay. You guys let me know how y'all feel about this look, but I feel like I could do better. I want to do this look all over again, so just let me know if you guys want me to do something more simple with rhinestones, because I was really having a hard time delegating how to go about this look, but eventually this is what it came out to. I really love it, especially because Chelsea has great skin. Speaking of skin, I went in with the Milk Hydro Grip primer on her face, and then I used a Morphe pencil in the shade Java to do her eyebrows. Y'all already know this is my routine, step by step, okay? And then of course I have to use my Born This Way concealer, you guys. This is the new concealer that I've been using lately. I love this concealer, and I'm just using this flat concealer brush, and then I'm using somewhat of a dome brush to blend out, trace, and make sure her eyebrows are super duper sharp and straight and just snatched, okay? And every time I record a YouTube video, I'm not gonna lie, I have a really hard time with eyebrows, especially because the cameras are sitting in the middle, and then I'm trying to go from like side to side to kind of like do the eyebrows. It's so hard, you guys. So when y'all see these YouTube videos, it takes a lot to do this, okay? But guess what? I still do it because I love y'all, and you guys keep me pushing. But I'm going in with her eyebrows with this flat brush on top as well. By the way, on the top, I think I went darker on the concealer because I was trying to make sure that her skin is natural, not too crazy highlighted, especially because on dark skin girls, I like a really snatched natural eyebrow. How do you guys feel about the Born This Way concealer? How you guys like it? Please comment down below what you guys think. But I'm going in with the NARS Soft Matte Foundation in the shade New Caledonia. By the way, you guys, I just started using this foundation and I am in love with it. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. I actually got this foundation from my NARS class. If you guys were in my NARS master class, I was one of the instructors for their master class, and they sent me like literally the whole entire store, and they sent me all the foundations, the NARS Soft Matte foundations, which I fell in love with, guys. It's so good. It gives me like this gel, like, I don't know, it's like gel but natural radiance all at the same time. Listen, it's a must. I think you guys should definitely add that to your kit. It's really, really good. And I'm using this Instapop Real Techniques brush that Haskell told me about, which is so good, okay? It blends out the foundation really, really well. I learned a few new techniques, by the way, after I did this video, so I want to implement them on a new video that I'm doing. But for now, you guys can already tell how great her skin looks. And I went in with a Chestnut concealer in the Born This Way concealer as well, and I'm blending it with my beauty blender from the Luxury Club. And I'm really taking my time to blend this concealer out because I don't want her face to be like patchy or have any like flashback or anything like that. I really wanted to show you guys how much time I spend on blending. Like, I literally take a lot of time on blending. Make sure you guys take your time and blend, blend, and blend. And then for contour, I'm using the Juvia's Place foundation sticks. These are some new foundations. Well, they're not new, but like I've been using them a lot lately, especially because AJ Crimson, the contour palette, is a little expensive, so I wanted to see if there's another way I can cut my costs down a little bit. So I started using the Juvia's Place foundation sticks, which I love. There's a few shades in there that I typically pick up all the time, and this is one of them. So I'm using that to contour her face, her nose, and then I'm using a MAC angled like foundation brush to blend that out. I really like these foundation sticks. I think you guys should definitely use them as a dupe for like a black opal or just for the AJ Crimson foundation palette, especially because it's really creamy. Then I'm going to set her face with the JLaRue Cosmetics and Mahogany Obsidian under her eyes, and I'm just literally taking a blush brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics and I'm patting that setting powder in. I love JLaRue Cosmetics setting powders, especially in Mahogany Obsidian, because it's perfect for dark skinned girls. And I'm just literally patting that in, and it's creating like a thin layer of setting powder, so it's not too cakey and you won't have any flashback, especially because it has like a yellow brown tint to it. So make sure you guys use my code, The Luxury Club, to get money off your purchase. Okay. And I'm taking a wedged sponge to contour her nose and her cheeks. Make sure you guys really snatch the nose, okay? Because I just like a snatched nose, so I'm just really taking my time. And then I'm going in with a MAC Studio Fix press powder. This is what I use to kind of like set the overall face so that I can go straight into contour. This is a new setting powder that I started using, which I love. And I believe the shade that I was using was NC55, I think, or NW48. And then with the Morphe bronzer in the shade Supreme, I am contouring her cheeks, her forehead, her nose, etc. And then to get rid of the setting powder lines on her face, I'm using the excess foundation on my brush to kind of like set that in. And then I'm going straight into her nose contour with the bronzer as well. Now, using the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, I am using this brown shade and this lighter brown shade to start her transition, or somewhat what I would call the eyeshadow color. These are the typical two shades that I use whenever I'm doing like a natural face, a naked face. It's really, really good, especially because you can lighten it up using the lighter shade and you can darken it up using the darker shade. And to give it somewhat of like a bronzy orange look, I'm using the bronzer to blend that in. And then using P. Louise Cosmetics pigment, well, pink pot, I forgot what it was, acid rain. Yeah, that's what it's called. I'm applying that under the eyes. And then using JLaRue Cosmetics pigment, I'm applying that on top of the paint pot concealer-ish. Y'all bear with me, okay? Then I'm going to head and dust under the eyes off. Dust. We don't want excess powder on the face, y'all. And then using the Luxury Club multi-purpose glue, period. Make sure y'all order off my website, www.itstheluxuryclub.com. Yes, I am using my glue to apply the gems. And these gems are Swarovski crystals. I got those Swarovski crystals from Michael's, but I was told that you can order them online or you can get them elsewhere cheaper, but that's where I bought them. And then I'm using the tool that they sell with it, the Swarovski crystal tool, to apply the crystals onto her eyelids. Now, typically when I do this look, you guys, I would leave the pink under her eyes just like that and then apply lashes, but this time around I kind of did something totally different. And you'll see how I do so, but I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. There are different ways of completing this look. Oh my gosh, these diamonds in person are so sparkly. I love crystals. And then I'm going ahead and use this pink glitter from JLaRue Cosmetics as well, and I'm using the multi-purpose glue lash glue to apply this pigment, and I'm placing it right on top of that pink. And what that's gonna do is just gonna make the pink look more sparkly. I just really wanted a sparkly look and it became super duper sparkly. So there's a lot of people who actually like sparkled out eyeshadow. This is the video for you, this is the tutorial for you, but that doesn't mean that it may be your thing. You may not like it, that's okay. I will do another look like this without all of the sparkles, just to let you guys know, but overall this is a super glammed look. And then I just went ahead and applied some lashes. These lashes are called Rich Girl from the Luxury Club Cosmetics as well. You can purchase them off my website at itstheluxuryclub.com. And just topping that off with some mascara, and this mascara is from IT Cosmetics. I love their mascaras. Okay, I always try to catch the sales, especially because they always have great mascara. So I always try to get some. And then I just lined her eyelids with the Inglot Gel 77 liner, and I'm going in the inner corner with a soft light gold, like a light champagne gold eyeshadow from Juvia's Place palette that we used. And then I topped it off with white gold from Juvia's Place, and I'm going in with blush, which is Lovejoy from MAC. Notice that I dust off everything. Every time I apply a product, I like to dust things off. It keeps away from your face from looking too cakey or too powdery. So it's always good to clean up your work and clean everything off. So I'm just literally dusting off any excess, and I'm going to set her face with the JLaRue Cosmetics Setting Silk. This Setting Silk spray, continuous spray, she changed the bottle from the last bottle, and this one is a little bit less harsh on the face. But don't get me wrong, you guys, it does still kind of like spray a little harsh, but it's less than what it was before. And the highlight that I'm using is from the Luxury Club as well, coming soon, you guys. I've been working on the formulas and the packaging, so it'll be out soon because a lot of people have been asking me, but I'm still working on it, okay? So your girl's gonna have everything pretty soon. And then I'm just touching up her contour with the Anastasia bronzer in the shade Mahogany. And to line her lips, I am using the Wet n Wild Sema Brown eyeliner. Yes, eyeliner. I use eyeliner for lips. If I'm not using KKW, I'm definitely using Wet n Wild. Also, people have been telling me about a lot of great brown liners. Can you guys comment down below some new brown liners that people use for their lips, like for lip combos? I know I do a lot of the same stuff. I just want to learn or try different brown liners. So if you guys could like comment down below, that'd be great. For her lips, I'm using this pink lipstick, and this one's from Mocha Rouge Cosmetics. I love her, okay? She's a black owned company, you guys, and she sells great lip liners and lipsticks. I also use her lip liners as well. I actually ran out, that's why I didn't use it, but her lipsticks are absolutely amazing. And I'm going to top it off with the JLaRue Cosmetics Emerald Cut lip gloss right on top. I ain't gonna lie, this look good, y'all. This looks so good. Damn. Yes, ma'am. I ain't gonna lie, Chelsea, your lips is looking good, girl. I don't know. It look like a little masterpiece or something. It look like I should put you up in a frame and hang you up. I really hope that you guys enjoy this look, you guys, because I really put a lot of work into this. I am going to coat her eyebrows with not JLaRue. What's going on? I love me some JLaRue. But that's Morphe. This is the Morphe Brow Gel. As y'all can tell, I love JLaRue Cosmetics, so make sure y'all shop with her. Shop with my girl, okay? But this is the final look, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And yes, comment down below how y'all felt about this look, okay? I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much.